Hey, what's up community? It's KJ here from KnappyHair.com and you are watching The Breakdown. In this video, I am gonna break down how to style Kinky Coarse texture. Believe it or not, these two wigs are the same Kinky Coarse texture. This wig is freshly shampooed, conditioned, and blow dried. This wig has been color treated and heat styled. I'm gonna show you the proper steps to take to flat iron your Kinky Coarse texture to turn into sleek hair. Now let's get started. The key to getting your Kinky Coarse texture bone straight is to press or flat iron in small sections. So I'm gonna work on half of the wig. This side will remain in a blow dried state, and this side is going to be sleeked out with my flat iron. All right, community, now you've seen how small your sections need to be to sleek out your Kinky Coarse texture to bone straight. I showed you the Kinky Coarse texture in the blow-dried state and how sleek you can get it bone straight by going in small sections. When you purchase your texture match kit, a Kinky Coarse sample comes with your kit. This way, you can see how straight you can get your Kinky Coarse texture. In another video, we'll go more into depth on the versatility of Kinky Coarse texture.